This is the perfect Sri Lankan protein dish, a beef curry. Marinate the freshly cut beef cubes in a traditional spice mix. For more Sri Lankan home-cooked recipes, check out the playlist at the end of this video. Now add chili powder, turmeric, pepper powder, salt and Sri Lankan curry powder. Then give it a good mix and let it rest. Next, add oil, saute the onions, green chilies, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and curry leaves before adding the cubes of beef. Once you see the color of the meat transform, add coconut milk and 1 cup of water. This is best enjoyed with some hot, crusty bread.